Hello and welcome to the Stacking the Deck session. In this session, I'm going to take you through how you can maximize your margins with VMware. Hopefully by now you've heard of Power Plays. Power Plays is because we heard you and we listened to you. You were asking for us to reduce the complexity, make it easier to find the content, to allow you to drive demand gen. And we did this because we've now streamlined the product focus. We've consolidated a lot of the content and the collateral that's available to you. And lastly is we've been able to identify some incentives to help drive adoption of those products. And we've done this through what's called stackers. And we have three aspects. The first one is around Advantage Plus and Deal Reg. As a professional partner, you get 2%. As an enterprise, you'll get 10. And as a premier, you get 12. In addition, for certain products, we have what's called a product accelerator. And this is where you can get up to 10% for particular products that we want to see a new change. And then lastly is around solution rewards. If you hold a competency for a related product, you can get up to 15% rebate as you sell the product. And when you look at what we have from a Power Play perspective, we have three. We have vSphere with operations management, virtual SAN, and vCloud Air with disaster recovery. And as you can see, there's a number of aspects around the Add Plus. You can see the upfront discount you get with Opportunity Reg, plus the product accelerator. And then for those partners holding the competency, you get that 10 or 15% rebate. And then lastly is for those individuals who qualify, you can get up to 3,300 points through sales rewards. So there's a significant incentive to sell the related products around the Power Plays. If you start looking at some examples, and I have two of them for you today. The first one is around an enterprise partner selling virtual SAN. Between the opportunity registration discount, the product accelerator discount, and the solution rewards rebate for virtual SAN, you can get up to 35% margin as an enterprise partner. If we start looking at the vSphere with operations management, for a professional partner, you'll get 2% for the registration discount, 10% for the Add Plus product accelerator, and another 10% back-end rebate for solution rewards. So all up is 22%. Significant upside, and even more so if you're a premier partner. There's 5 simple steps to stacking the deck. The first one is understand the product you're selling. 2, the value proposition and the market position. 3, customer profiles. 4, the incentives I've just talked about. And lastly is preparing for the sale. Just keep in mind 5 simple steps. With solution competencies, hopefully everybody has at least one or more. We have 2 new ones around mobility, which is around the AirWatch product, and then lastly is around SDDC. That's the newest of the family, and you'll see more detail coming soon. But just keep in mind, by holding these competencies as you sell the product, you can get upwards of 15% rebate on the deal. Easy way to improve your margin. Then lastly is for those enterprise and premier partners. You're eligible for what we call as the ELA rebate. And this is where you can get 3% capped at $1 million for all your approved registrations since the 1st of January. The deal registrations are valid for upwards of 2 quarters, 1 quarter after it was approved. So keep that in mind. It's another easy way to work with VMware and maximize your margins. So with that, I want to thank you for your time. Dare to thrive. Happy selling.